shout out to this cutie over here for letting me know what you did on the first day of lockdown. If you want to get featured in my next vlog, make sure you leave a comment down below.
Sweetness. Obviously, as you can hear, John is also wanting to chat with you guys. We just woke up and it is like 11 o'clock. And lately I haven't been sleeping really well at all with everything going on. Do a workout, then shower.
Hi guys, I'm just busy working on my life, you know. Staying at home, working at home. Just kidding.
Show you guys what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. I'm actually just gonna prepare my chicken, and I've been really obsessed with Kriya's page on Instagram. She sent me some spices to try out. This is a tandoori spice, so I'm just gonna show you how I marinate my chicken and prepare it for tonight. So I already cut some lemon. I just want to use like fresh lemon juice. So I'll pierce the lemon with a knife first, and then I'll squeeze it over my chicken. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of chilies and then some salt. Turn the chicken around. Now I'm gonna add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the Kriya spice. This is the tandoori spice. Half a cup of yogurt. I'm using a low-fat plain yogurt. And then I just have a little bit of melted butter. And then I'm just going to mix that in and pop it back into the fridge so it can marinate. Shower and washed my hair, and I'm gonna film a few videos now because when I move this room I need some video content to upload, so yeah. reason. I'm actually going to do my brows quickly before I start filming, and I thought I'd show you guys lately what I've been loving. So I basically just take this soap brows. I got it from Shop Betty online, and I'm gonna take some of the Unique Lucid Hydro Restore Freshener. I love this. I'm actually going to spray some in here, and then I take a spoolie and just kind of swirl it around in there till I have enough soap on my brush, and then I'm going to just brush this little pathetic hairs up. I like just to press it flat. This looks like laminated brows. Grab a little tissue. I'm gonna grab the Cabral. I like using 2 shades, so I use number 2 and number 3. And this is basically like such a strong pomade that kind of just stays on your brows. Love it. And I'm gonna grab my angled eyeliner brush from Urban Decay. So I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Cabral shade number 2 in front, and then shade number 3 on the rest of the brow. So let me show you. Just gonna fill in the front and then kind of push the hair up using the pomade as well. So I'm not doing like a very structured brow today. I'm actually just gonna do something simple and plain. So I'm just working really fast. Okay, then I'm gonna grab shade number 3 and just basically define the end. Boom. I have at least a skincare video, and I have a hair tutorial and a makeup tutorial, and I'll just have like a little video I have to do for GHD, which I'll probably post on my Insta soon. So it's like this little video where we pass the GHD on to different influencers. So what it's gonna mean is, I'll show you the little clip I have. Maybe it will make sense, but when I grab the GHD from someone else, I give it to someone else at the end. Let me show you the ow lashes. Let me show you the little clip. And then the next person will grab it, do their hair, and then the next and next and the next. This man is just chilling. This man
is just chilling too.
Yeah. Ooh, is that my abs?
No. Jalan, daai. Ek selfs mooier as daai.
You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline.
Quickly decided to film another video using my top, I mean not using, oh my gosh, imagine. Mentioning my top 10 fragrances. It will go up on IGTV maybe tomorrow or the day after, or today, so make sure you check it out, because I would love to know from you guys what your favorite fragrances are. No, Ivan doesn't understand why we at home so much, but he like follows us around the whole time. Hey. It's nice because when you walk outside, everything seems so peaceful and quiet, and it almost feels like we're on a farm or something. It's quite nice. Hey, yay! Why is there a car on the road? Come, Sian, come. He doesn't understand it, so he doesn't get it. Hello, hello. She's gonna tell them she's a catfish. She's gonna tell them she's a
I
catfish.
believe that honesty is the best policy. But there's one truth is the photos that I'm using are not mine.
Make sure that Siobhan, same page, heart emoji, Santi, we're all on the
So I'm watching the finale of The Circle. It is now 10 o'clock. Husband is still playing Sims. Enjoying it. Me. And I just downloaded some plugins for my Final Cut Pro. The ones that I already bought, to save those. So I'm gonna end this vlog now, so I can import some of my footage and edit it for tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed today. Stay tuned tomorrow, and as always, stay sweet.